So now let's see how we can work around with gunfire, lighting and electricity effect. So I'm just going to go around over here on this particular clip, and in order to add in the gunfire effect, I'm going to go around under effects right here. Then I'm going to go around and scroll down and expand out the particle and simulation, and over here you can see that gunfire is an effect. So let me just go around and click and drag around, and you can see that it is a separate layer right here. The gunfire is a separate layer on its own. You can go around and move this gunfire wherever you like, as you can see right here. And what you can also do right here is you can expand this and transform this out right here. Change around the opacity, change around the anchor point right here, and change around the position and scale right here as well, and change around the orientation, as you can see right here. So this is a 3D effect. You can see that you can go around and move this out wherever you like right here, just like this right here, and change around the rotation as well. So this is what you have. You can go around and you can see that there's different material options over here, and there's appearance option over here as well. You can even go around and change around the color, as you can see right here, and then change around the color variation, as you can see, just like this as well, and then get the effect that you want. So I'm just going to go around right here, and there's the color variation. You can go around and change around the rate of the fire right here, as you can see, just like this, and then change around the seed over here as well, just like this for animation, and change around the blur strength over here, just like this as well. So you can go around and change that out, and you can see that this is the core flare. You can go around and scale this out right here, just like this. So you can go around and animate this out right here as well, as if there's a blast. So let me just go around and say 100 over here. So once I do that, this is the barrel cap, as you can see right here. So you can go around and animate this out as well, just like this. And you can go around and change around the length right here, the length taper right here, just like this as well, and then change around the radius and so forth. You can also change around the jitter and the intensity right here. So the side flares right here as well, so you can disable this as well. You can go around and change around the scale, change around the cap right here, and change around the barrel rotation, the length and so forth, as you can see right here. So this is what you have. As you can see, you can change around the intensity over here, just like this as well. So that is what you have. That is how you can work around with the gunfire, as you can see right here. So let me just go around and delete this over here. So now what you can also do is you can work around with lighting and electricity. So let me just go around and delete the gunfire effect, and the other effect that you have is lightning and electricity. So let me just go around and click and drag this out over here, and you can see that this is what you have. You can go around and click and drag this out right here, and this is lightning, as you can see, just like this. So if I were to go around and choose different options, presets, you can see that that is what you have. There's the power coupling right here, there's the spot lighting right here, and force lighting and so forth, as you can see. You can change around the seed over here, just like this, and drag around the points over here, just like this as well, and change around the trunks, as you can see. You can go around, change around the wave scale right here, and then change around the twitch scale over here as well, and work around with different bends and lightning effects and so forth, as you like. And that is how you can work around with gunfire, lightning and electricity effect inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.